I found out about the apprenticeship program through the engineering director at my high school, who told me about it my junior year. Then I took more tours and became more involved.
I found it through my school website, and I saw the great opportunities. I couldn't let it pass away.
The thing that I enjoy about working here is that we are taught a lot of things and kind of given freedom within that.
I really like that I get to go to so many diverse areas, and I think that all of those will just help me in whichever one I'll choose at the end.
What I like about this program is that I get to work with my hands. I get to learn new things pretty much every day.
I like being able to go to work, go to school, and also be familiar with a whole different background of manufacturing and have firsthand experience on our own shop floor.
What I like about the apprenticeship program is the sheer variety of stuff that we get to do. We're not stuck in one area for 4 years and expected to stay there the whole time. Instead, we get to go around the entire company, we get to go up to the office positions, and we get to really learn the ins and outs of how does SCHUNK work.
The program was appealing to me because I come out with 4 years of experience and a 2-year degree in college, which puts me like miles ahead of everyone else my age when I graduate.
I chose the apprenticeship program over traditional college education because not only am I getting a college education, I'm getting hands-on learning and a guaranteed job position once the 4 years are over.
So I chose the apprenticeship over traditional college because I saw the benefits of it, and the benefits were that I would have a full-time job when I'm done with no student debt.
After high school, there were basically 2 options available to me. Try to get scholarships and grants to be able to go to college, or find a job and start working immediately. The appeal of the apprenticeship program is that it really gave me the best of both because I was able to get work experience and get paid for my work, as well as actually go to a community college and be able to learn in the classroom.
I love the support that I get when I need help on a machine or just doing any other activity. I get a lot of support.
I like that I have people all around me at all times that are always here to support me.
What I like about the apprenticeship program is how much support there is. The support is built into the program itself. All of the staff, all of our mentors are focused on helping us develop our skills.
And supported in what we want to learn or do.
I like the support I get from my mentors.
Everyone's just super supportive on anything that I do, answering any questions that I have.
The thing I like about the apprenticeship program is the constant support between apprentices and mentors.
I myself help other apprentices, the newer ones, as they kind of go through the shop and the program.
So I like the support that we get for schooling, being able to go to work and have a dedicated day to go to school and learn and take the time we need.
What I like most about this apprenticeship is all the support my mentors have given me for someone so new to this type of work.
Throughout our entire journey through this, there's always support for us. We are never left on our own or expected to know how to do something that we don't. There will always be someone there to support us, and we can always ask for help if we need to.
If I'm having problems, I can always go ask for help no matter what it is I'm struggling with.